Dear students, today talk about National Environmental Policy 2006. National Environmental Policy 2006. The National Environmental Policy NEP 2006 was an effort towards India's commitment to clean environment and making positive contributions to international efforts. The National Environmental Policy builds on the various earlier policies which had addressed the challenges of environment and the need of sustainable development prior to this policy. Some of them were National Forest Policy 1988, National Conservation Strategy, and a Policy Statement on Environment and Development 1992, Policy Statement on Abate of Pollution 1997, National Agriculture Policy 2000, National Population Policy 2000, National Water Policy 2002. So, certain policies are there. First one now, National Forest Policy 1988, National Conservation Strategy and Policy Statement on Environment and Development 1992, Policy Statement on Abate of Pollution 1997, National Agriculture Policy 2000, National Population Policy 2000, National Water Policy 2002. Objectives of National Environmental Policy 2006: to protect and conserve critical ecological system and resources, to ensure equitable access of environmental resources and quality for all sections of society, to ensure judicious use of environmental resources to meet the needs and aspirations of the present and future generations, to integrate environmental concern into policies, plans, programs, and projects for economic and social development, to ensure efficient use of environmental resources with minimize adverse environmental impacts, to apply the principles of good governance to the management and regulatory of use of environmental resources. So, certain objectives of National Environmental Policy 2006 are to protect and conserve critical ecological systems and resources, to ensure equitable access of environmental resources, to ensure judicious use of environmental resources, to integrate environmental concern into policies, plans, programs, and projects for economic and social development. So, ensure efficient use of environmental resources, to apply the principles and good governance to the management and regulatory to use environmental resources. Importance of National Environmental Policy 2006. The important theme of NEP 2006 is that while conservation environmental process is also necessary to secure livelihoods and well-being of all, the most secure basis for conservation is to ensure that people dependent on particular resources obtain their livelihoods from the resources. The policy also seeks to stimulate a partnership of different stakeholders. That means public agencies, local communities, academics, and scientific institutions. The investment community and international development partners in harnessing their respective resources and strength for environmental management. Involvement of Panchayat Raj institution and urban local bodies are being highlighted. Regulation zone notifications to make the approach to coastal environmental regulation more holistic and thereby ensure protection to coastal ecological systems, waters, and vulnerability of some coastal areas to extreme natural events and potential sea level rise. Environmental impact assessment will continue to be the principal methodology for appraisal and reviews of new projects. To achieve sustainable development, environmental protection shall constitute an integral part of the development process and cannot be considered in isolation from it. Provisions of Provisions of NEP 2006 empower communities to care for their own environments, local communities, environmental NGOs, and the community based for people to express their concern and take action to create sustainable societies. Local government bodies, communities, business, non governmental, and community based organizations and other interested groups should become partners with the central government in decision and projects which affect them, their environment, and the sources on which they depend. The government policy adheres to the polluter. As a result, the cost of preventing pollution will be borne by those responsible for pollution. The government will promote opportunities for a sharing of information on biological diversity among government agencies, the public and the private sectors, and NGOs. The government commits to encourage the stakeholder participation in solving problems related to multi users conflicts in coastal areas. The government will promote public awareness and understanding of the wetland resources. The government will expand opportunities for participation and collaboration in the development and implementation of water management. The government will develop a registration program for all listed activities that emit pollutants so as to assess their contribution to air pollution. Government policy is that public authority holding information on the environment must make it available to anyone requesting it. Environmental education. Environmental education for children and adults must be integrated into the education system at all levels. Swachh Bharat Mission Introduction. Clean India or Swachh Bharat Mission or Abhiyan is a nationwide campaign initiated by the Government of India on 2nd October 2014 to eliminate open sanitation and improve solid waste management. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, initiated cleanliness drive at Mandir Marg Police Station, New Delhi. A clean India would be the best tribute India could pay Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birth anniversary in 2019. Swachh Bharat mission was launched throughout the length and breadth of the country as a national movement. Certain objectives are there about Swachh Bharat mission to achieve the vision of a clean India. People should neither litter nor let others litter. To evoke a sense of responsibility among the people, to spread awareness about hygiene, to highlight the cleanliness work carried out by citizens across the nation, to eliminate open defecation through construction of household owned and community owned toilets. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has become a Jan Andolan, receiving tremendous support from the people. Citizens too have turned out in large number and pledged for a cleaner and hygienic India, taking the broom to sweep the streets, cleaning up the garbage, focusing on sanitation, and maintain a hygienic environment have become a practice after the launch of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. People have started to take part and are helping to spread the message of cleanliness is next to godliness. It is India's largest cleanliness drive to date. This is something about National Environment Policy 2006. Any clarification, any doubts, send me the messages. Thank you.